Marco, 2 years old. Huh? Pitch it? Okay. Play ball. Play ball. You ready? Oh. Huh? Try it again. Good throw. Come on. Pitch him. Ready? You ready? Pitch him. Oh. Good throw. Ready? No. Ready? Stop there. You gotta. Don't. Ah! Careful. What are you? There. Play golf. One more. Throw it here. Pitch him. Throw the ball. Good throw. Ready? Oh, one more. Come on. Throw the ball. Good boy. Good throw. Ready? Pitch him. Ready? Oh.